Hi, I'm Zshakira Carthens of the Carthens Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about some common misconceptions and myths involving divorce. First, I want to let you know that this is not meant to take the place of a legal consultation. I always advise people to seek the advice of an attorney so that you can get advice based on your individual facts and circumstances. Now, I want to let you know what North Carolina requires before filing for a divorce. The first thing that is required by North Carolina is that the spouses have lived separate and apart for at least a year prior to filing for the divorce. Secondly, you must have lived, or at least one party must have lived in the state of North Carolina for at least 6 months prior to filing for a divorce, which brings us to our first myth. The first myth is that a lot of people may believe that one person, or both people, must live in the state of North Carolina. And that's not true. Only one person has to reside here, and that person only has to have resided here for 6 months. Secondly, a lot of people may think that they have to file in the state that they were married in, which is also not true. Of course, my firm is located in a military town, so we have a lot of soldiers, and soldiers commonly will believe that they need to go back to the state that they're originally from to file for their divorce, which is false. And then another common myth is that after you separate, there is some legal document that you must rush to the courthouse to file to basically stamp that date that you separate so that everyone knows and it's not up for argument or discussion. And that is also not true. And that's not to say that as attorneys, we don't argue about the date of separation in court, but at the time that you separate, you and your spouse do not have to get a formal agreement saying, hey, I separated on this day, you sign it, I sign it. You can just begin to count that 1 year period. And if you walk into my office and it's been a year, we're simply going to file for the divorce. There's no document that I'm going to ask that you provide to say that you separated 1 year ago. So hopefully these myths have been helpful to you and they will help you to make better informed decisions in your day-to-day life. Please contact me at the Carthens Law Firm if you are in this situation or you know someone who may be in this situation, and we would love to help you.